Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPhone iOS version and free storage because recordings need space. Next, pick a recording method, native voice memo for on-speaker, a third-party app, or an external recorder via Lightning or Bluetooth. Once chosen, go to Settings and enable microphone and call kit permissions for that app or service. You must also verify Do Not Disturb won't block incoming calls. Do these steps now so the recorder can capture audio without permission errors. Now you configure and run the recording. Open the recorder app, confirm permissions, and pick audio quality. Higher bitrates use more space but improve clarity. For phone calls, either place the call inside the app or initiate a call and merge with the app's recording line to create a three-way session. Once recording begins, watch input levels and mark timestamps for key moments so you can jump later. If you use speaker plus voice memos, position the phone and reduce background noise for best results. To finish, stop the recorder and immediately save and name the file with date and topic to avoid confusion. Once saved, export or backup to iCloud, Dropbox, or transfer to your computer to prevent data loss. If you hear no audio or low volume, check the app's microphone permissions, switch off Bluetooth headsets, inspect the microphone for debris, and update the app. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry the recording process. That often clears transient audio fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.